My name is Olaf Abner Huerta González. My surname is Huerta, and it is spelled Huerta. I'm from Puebla. It is a wonderful place to live, and you can meet there a lot of people. I think what I really like most of my hometown is the food and the people. The people there is too friendly. You can make new friends every day. I'm a marketing consultant, and as I'm in my job, I am in charge in the publicity of the companies. So many times we have a lot of clients who need help with their company image. Well, as I say, I'm a consultant, marketing consultant, so I am charged to do marketing strategies special and focus on the market of and the target of a company. I have to make a lot of decisions, and I decide to be a marketing consultant because I can develop all my skills and my knowledge about how the market works in a country or in a specific target. How can I reach them? I use English when I have meetings with someone who is from another country, and almost every time when I use a specific program as Dreamweaver, who is only developed on English. This is the latest version of the plan. These are the minutes of the last committee meeting. Sales have risen faster than expected of the last quarter. I will give you a summary of the figures at the end of my talk. Mr. Bond apologized for not being able to attend the reception. Permission to develop the land must be gained in advance. Dr. Clark would like you to phone her back before 3 o'clock. The design should follow the guidelines set out in the tender specification. My idea of the perfect office to work in, it should be located in a place with a lot of music and art and architecture, a place who should be multicultural. The office should look like a place not square, some place where you can develop and you can make friends. And the facility should have new computers. This equipment would let me work faster and do something better, like renders or videos who needs a lot of work. The following pie chart illustrates the breakdown of the total export of the company. In this chart, we can see how the most important market is Japan, but it's been losing their exports first with 75% and in 2005 and ending in 2007 with only the 50%. This is dangerous for the company. We must know what is happening there. So the other two countries who are growing dramatically is Brazil and Canada. First, in 2005, Brazil has the 10% of the market, and now in 2007 increased to the 25%. It is almost the same with Canada, who has only the 15% and grow to the 25%. I think the location of the conference is so important because it's the first image that the other people from other companies are going to be, and this is so important because we have to do a lot of things. The equipment that we need to have is a good sound because if the people don't hear our ideas and the business plan, they will be bored and lose all the interest that they have at the beginning of the conference. Sincerely, I don't know what kind of catering facilities would the people would like to have in the conference. So I think it is very important to have a good reception and have a big place to do the conference. A good conference speaker is someone who talk and propose good ideas, new ideas, and it is he's innovating something, and they make to the people to follow them. It should be around only 15 minutes, and in the extreme case 3 minutes, because the people could be boring on the conference.